How's it going, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. So in this video I'll show you guys a very simple 1-minute scalping strategy. So first and first, you want to come to this indicator section here and search for an indicator called order block. Look at this indicator called order block finder. So you click on this indicator. So once you click on the indicator, it will come up on your charts. So you click on this settings icon. Guys, you want to take note of this settings. Look at this. It's called relevant period to identify order block. So it's the amount of candlestick, I believe, like based on the settings, I believe it's the amount of candlestick that is required to identify an order block. So you can change this to like something like 5 candlesticks if you want to. Okay, like there's an information down here. I say required number of subsequent candles in the same direction to identify order block. If you're looking for the indicator to help you find more entries and more order blocks, then you should use 5. So guys, I personally prefer to use 6 candlesticks instead of 7. So I like to give it a gray area, a balance from 5 to 7. So I prefer you use 5, 6, 7, but personally I like to use 6 candlesticks. So that's all. So let me show you guys what the indicator does. So the indicator helps you find order block in the market. As you can see, this is an order block, which signifies that there's a strong supply zone here. Like the market literally crashed at this point. So it's picking out this last bullish candlestick that formed before the move to the downside. Okay, so for this setup, you're going to go down to the 15-minute time frame to look for an order block. So you can see there's a bearish order block here, which is signifying a sell to the downside. On the 15-minute time frame, you want to mark that order block out, mark it out like this. Now when we go down to the 1-minute time frame for our entry, so on the 1-minute time frame, this is the retracement price made back to that order block zone. So this is the first touch. This touch didn't engulf this candlestick, this one did not engulf, this one did not engulf. So finally we got this engulfing right here. So guys, for your entry, you want to look for an engulfing candlestick. So literally at this point, you can see this is where price came back to retest that order block we found on the 15-minute time frame, and we saw this engulfing candlestick. As if you're looking at this point, you can see this candlestick did not engulf their bullish candlesticks, but this candlestick you can see here engulfed this bullish candlestick. So we're going to take a trade here at this point. So guys, for your stop loss, you want to use the ATR indicator. So let's add that on our chart real quick. When you come to the indicator section here and search for ATR, it's called average true range. So you want to just quickly come to the settings and click on, and guys, make sure that your ATR is set to the length 14. It's very important. So it counts the previous 14 candlesticks to give you your ATR value. So you want to check what is the ATR of this engulfing candlestick, and the ATR is 19.11. So you want to do 19.11, approximately 20. Okay, so you want to use the ATR 19.11. So you click on this, you double click on the position size tool, and it will show up like this. You want to change your stop loss from 18.76 to 19.11. You can even approximate it to like 2000 just for the sake of approximation, but just put in exactly what you saw. That's just the easiest way to do it. Put in exactly what you saw, 19.11, and as you can see, this is our stop loss, and our take profit is going to be a 1 to 2, a 1 to 1.5, a 1 to 3, or you can target levels and zones in the market depending on how you want it to be. Guys, this is a very simple strategy, and it has been working. At least this strategy, I would say, if you can go back and back test it and get comfortable with using this strategy, then I believe it's going to make a difference in the way you trade. You guys, please observe proper risk management. Always set your stop loss when you take a trade, and please do not overtrade. It's very important, guys. Please do not overtrade this, because this strategy, I noticed that its setup shows up like all the time. Like if you trading on multiple pairs, you're definitely going to find one setup every single day. So please use proper risk management when you trade this strategy. Go back and back test, and always use a stop loss. Please guys, always use a stop loss. This strategy is very easy and effective. If you want to join the Signal group, I'm giving away 1 week free trial to the Signal group for just $1.99. You can have access to the VIP group for 1 whole week and test it out. It's $100 a month, but for $1.99 you can gain access to the VIP group and get signals from me every single day for a whole week. So guys, if you're interested, just DM me on Instagram and I will set you up. As of for this video, if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.